Success is not just about hard work and talent. One of the most powerful tools that successful people use is visualization. Visualization is the practice of creating a clear mental image of a goal or outcome you want to achieve. It helps you focus your mind, build confidence, and stay motivated on your path to success. When you visualize, you imagine yourself reaching your goals. You picture the exact details, what you see, hear, feel, and even smell. This mental rehearsal trains your brain to believe that success is possible, making your goals feel more real and achievable. Scientists say that visualization activates the same parts of the brain that are used when actually performing an action. This means that by visualizing success regularly, you prepare your mind and body for real-life performance. For example, athletes often use visualization before competitions. They see themselves winning, moving with skill and confidence. This mental practice improves their focus and reduces anxiety. It helps them perform better when it really counts. Visualization is not magic, but it creates a powerful mindset. When you clearly see your goals in your mind, your brain starts working to find ways to make them happen. You become more aware of opportunities and motivated to take action. Here are some steps to use visualization for success. Find a quiet place where you can relax without distractions. Close your eyes and take deep breaths to calm your mind. Imagine your goal as if it is already achieved. Picture every detail clearly. Feel the emotions of success: happiness, pride, excitement. Repeat this practice daily for a few minutes. Over time, visualization strengthens your belief in yourself. It increases your confidence and helps you overcome challenges. When obstacles appear, your mind remembers the positive image of success and pushes you forward. Remember, success requires both action and mindset. Visualization is a tool that supports your actions by preparing your mind. Combined with hard work, it creates a strong foundation for achieving your dreams. Start using the power of visualization today. See your success clearly, believe in it, work for it, and watch how your life begins to change.